In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a start and end frame in Leonardo AI Mobile. To begin, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone and head to the Generate section. This is where you'll set up your video, and it's the starting point for adding both a beginning image and an ending image to guide the animation. Once you're in Generate, tap on the model selector. From there, switch to the video category and choose a model that supports both start frame and end frame features. This part is important because not every video model includes those options. If you don't see the frame tools later, it usually means the selected model doesn't support them, so make sure you pick the right one here. After that, tap into the prompt area. You'll see an Add option, and this is where you can begin attaching your images. Tap Add, then choose Add Image. Leonardo will give you the option to select an image either from your device library or from your previous library generations inside the app. Pick whichever source has the image you want to use. Select your first image, then choose Start Frame. This image will act as the opening visual for your video, so it helps set the look, composition, or subject from the very beginning. Next, tap the plus icon to add another image. Again, choose Add Image. Then select whether you want to pull it from your device library or your library generations. Once you choose the second image, it will automatically be set as the end frame. This tells Leonardo where you want the video to visually arrive by the end of the animation. With both frames in place, type your prompt carefully to describe the motion, style, or transition you want between the two images. When everything looks good, tap Generate and let Leonardo create your video.